Hi everyone, my name is Chris Cruz, Technology Services. Today I'll be going over how to copy, paste, and drag and drop within the Apporto session. So there are a couple things you can do to get your files over within Apporto. If you have not seen the video on how to transfer files within Apporto, I recommend you do so. But for today, I'll be showing you how to copy and paste and drag and drop files within your Apporto session quickly and easily. So, for example, today I have my Apporto session. I'm already logged in within this virtual environment. And let's say I have a file here on my desktop. I'm using a Mac. Let's say I want to take this file and drag it over onto my Apporto session so I can work on it from there. So all I have to do is click on my file, drag it over as I did here, drop it. And what you'll notice down here at the bottom right, the file has been uploaded, and it shows you the size of the file, 14.7 kilobytes of 14.7 kilobytes, meaning that the file has been uploaded successfully. So now, as you can see here within my session, the performance tips for Apporto has been uploaded. All I have to do now is just double click and then start working on the file. Another option you can do is to drag over an entire folder. But Apporto will not allow you to drag folders like this. You'll get an error. The best way to drag over folders on Apporto is to first zip the folder. So most computers have a zip utility. I'm using a Mac, so all I have to do is control click or right click on my Mac and then choose the option that says compress the test folder. So I'll do that. So you notice it creates a single file and all the files within that folder into a zip file. Now I can take that file and drag it over to Apporto. As you can see, it's completed, and my test folder is right here. It has a little zip icon, like a zipper icon on it, and you can double click on it and you can see that my test folder is there along with my file. After I have dragged my zip folder onto the Apporto session, all I have to do now is right click and extract all. Go ahead and choose the same location it's located, hit extract, and as you can see here, my files and my folder have been extracted. All I have to do is double click and there is my file that was nested inside that folder. So the easiest way to transfer a folder with multiple files inside that folder is to zip it first and then drag it over. Now, how do you copy and paste from your Apporto session to your local session or local session to Apporto? Let's say I have here on my local computer this file that there's information on it that I want to copy over in my Apporto session. All I have to do is drag the content that I want. You can do a Command C on a Mac, or you can do a Control C on a Windows PC. You can also right click or control click on a Mac and copy. Now that I have the data I want, I can go back to my Apporto session here, open up Word, and paste. You can also go reverse. Let's say I want this section of the data from my Word file. Copy, just right click, copy. You can also use your shortcuts on your keyboard and go back to the Word document. Let's say I want to paste it on the top. And paste here. And as you can see, copy and pasting works both ways within the Apporto session and your local session. Thank you.